Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Today, I wanted to go through a little bit about my new website, togetstaRted.ca. It's for all things downsizing. So here it is. It's easy to find, togetstaRted.ca, 24 hours a day, tips on downsizing. Because what I found is that it can take 3-4 months, sometimes a year or two before people are actually ready to get going. So I thought I'd just click on a button here. Let's go to this one, downsizing checklist. Let's talk about what's on here. Now, this is a great thing. I think you're really going to like, because, it's a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, basically create a plan, organize the future floor space, tackle small areas, and get rid of unwanted items. All the details are down here about what to do. You can check it off. And for instance, if you're talking about getting rid of unwanted items, you could host a yard sale, donate items, pass down to friends or family, recycle or trash leftover items. And that's one of the things about working with a specialist like myself. I have all the information and the names of the people who actually show up and get that work done. Okay, so that's just an example of togetstaRted.ca. You can go there anytime for downsizing information. And if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay, have a great day.